Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good evening and welcome back in. Rain starting right back up for us here in parts of the Homeview, Lexington and Paris, both dealing with some light drizzle here. That's wet the roadways once again. Southern parts of the state staying dry for the most part here today, but their time will come as these rain chances increase as we head into the overnight tonight. Looking at radar on a close view here of the Lexington area and surrounding counties, we've got some showers from Lawrenceburg all the way to Cynthiana. Harrodsburg is up here for some of the heavier showers, passing just to the north where we've got some red and yellow showing up on radar. If we zoom out and go down towards southern parts of the state, we've had a little bit of spotty rain from Beattyville to McKee, Irvin, all getting in the same there. But as we look towards central Kentucky, there's even some lightning on some showers and storms moving through. So we could see a stray thunderstorm pop in for us here as the rest of tonight moves on. It's all because of this cold front extending down from the Great Lakes all the way through the deep south. It's been kicking up showers for us and will continue to provide a few rounds of rain as we go into the rest of this evening. The bulk of the rain overnight and into early parts of your Friday here, waking up to the first half of the day with scattered rain, and then it quickly tapers off as we head into Friday evening. That doesn't make us zero chance for rain as we go into Saturday, though. Another wave could bring us a slight chance as we get going. But most of Futurecast suggests the heaviest rain to come in around 10 o'clock. That front passes, another wave follows in behind. More scattered rain chances into early Friday. Look at here now, this is noon, spotty in nature for us as we go through the rest of our day and into the evening. Even some clearing there for parts of central and western Kentucky as we head into parts of tomorrow night. Saturday morning, starting with some clear sky, but clouds move in. Spotty rain chances continue through the first half of the day, and then we see some clearing into the afternoon, but clouds do try to repeat as we go into our Sunday. Now, overall, most spots are going to see a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch. Heavier rain, bringing a quarter to a half of an inch possible for whatever areas get the best lining of those storms as they come through. The best banding and the hardest rain will give us those higher totals. We're going to continue to have those gusty winds that go along with this front. Winds upwards of 30+ miles an hour at times as that front passes. Maybe even some bursts upwards of 40 miles an hour and some potential thunderstorm activity. Then those winds turn to the west to northwest for our Friday, continuing to gust 20 to 25 miles an hour. We're not done there. As we head into Saturday morning, that next wave, that one that could bring us some spotty shower chances, is going to bring some gusty winds originally from the south, and then they're going to rotate back around to the northwest. We're talking 30 to 35+ mile-an-hour gusts as we close out our weekend. Check it out. Tomorrow, high temperatures are going to struggle to hit 60 because of the clouds and the rain. Then we go into Saturday with a rebound. Southerly winds really get us up towards 68, and then we're back down again on Sunday near 60. So the roller coaster of rain and temperatures rolls into the weekend. We end the weekend on a dry note, and we're going to keep that going into the start of next week with some potential frost, but then a string of 70s rolls in on Tuesday.